Once, in a small town by the sea, lived a girl named Amara. She was an orphan, with nothing but 2 old coins in her pocket and a heart full of dreams. Every night, she sat by the lighthouse, watching ships disappear beyond the horizon, imagining a brighter future waiting for her. People told her, "Why dream big when you have nothing?" But Amara chose to see her empty hands as a blank canvas. She borrowed old books, learned by candlelight, and taught herself to weave baskets from palm leaves, every step becoming a stone toward her future. But storms tore down her shelter, hunger tested her strength, and still, people mocked her dreams. One day, a merchant saw her baskets. He paid more than she expected, and her first small victory began. She reinvested, improved her craft, and soon, her baskets traveled farther than she ever imagined. Years later, Amara owned her own shop. She taught other children to weave. Her 2 old coins became the seed of a legacy. Having nothing doesn't mean you are nothing. What matters is the vision you carry inside. Think big, even when the world doubts you.